Series of landslides struck a militia-held mine in the Democratic Republic of Congo, burying people alive and killing several. Since its resurgence in 2021, the M23 group has taken vast part of the DRC's resources reached east, capturing the Rubaya mine in North Kivu province in April 2024 with Rwanda's help. Part of a hillside in the Rubaya mining zone collapsed on Wednesday afternoon and a second landslide struck on Thursday morning. The exact number of victims remains unknown, but despite the danger, men and women continue to search through the rubble for survivors. The Rubaya mine reduces 15 to 30% of the world's supply of coltan, key to making of electronics like laptops and mobile phones. The experts estimate that M23 makes around $800,000 a month from the mine.